Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. Welcome. This is a free video for the followers. Really quickly, I'm just going to go over some stuff. Number one, remember the China trade deal and the China trade deal and the China trade deal and the China trade deal? Remember that? Anybody give a shit about the China trade deal now? No. Nobody gives a shit about it. I've told you before, it's not about tariffs. Okay? Doesn't mean that tariffs don't contribute and create a lot of problems. They do. The real problem is lack of trust in democracy, government, economy, and the markets. Right? We don't have a stable government in place. The guy is insane. Okay? How many deals have we done in 90 deals in 90 days? How many have we done? Zero. That's exactly how many we've done. Zero. Not even the UK one is a binding deal. So you can't call it a deal because it's not binding. No one signed on it. Yeah, we're going to go back to Parliament. We'll talk about it. Right. So there's not one trade deal done. China, right? It was just a modification. Well, we're delaying it for 90 days. They're going to delay it for another 90 days and another 90 days to infinity. The bottom line is that we went from 10% tariffs, 20% tariffs, and now they're 30. Period. That means we're going to pay 30% more taxes on all imports of Chinese goods and products. Okay, that's a tax on America. So what's happening, right? Nobody wants our bonds, not at the current price. So if price of bonds falls, interest rates rise. That's what's happening. And this thing is about to blow out. That's scary. Okay? Scary. So nobody cares about the China trade deal or any deal at this point. They're worried about demand for our bond. And this should be a wake-up call to all the MMTers who run around and say, oh, don't worry about it. The Fed controls rates. No. Don't worry about it. It's the Fed that controls rates. Really? You see? All right. So we've known for a long time they don't know what they're talking about. All right. So here's the NASDAQ. This is what everybody's not paying attention to. They're paying attention. Oh my God, the market is up today, and the market is up, and we knew, you got to buy the dip, and when there's blood in the street, right? Okay. Well, you're gonna find out what blood in the street means in a while. Anyway, so got a 1, 2, 3 up, going sideways. This could be a high base for one more up. Eventually, this is going to crack. Once it starts to crack, the first one doesn't have to go. The second one can. But once it starts to crack, right, it can be a very rapid move to the downside again. If rates keep moving up the way they are, man, it's going to get ugly. Okay? So that's why I was telling you all back here, get the fuck out, get the fuck out, get the fuck out. Now I'm telling you, stay the fuck out, right? Don't short the hole, don't short the hole, don't short the hole, right? And you've seen what's happened. So I've been right so far on just about everything. Now, the original structure was this. This should have broken down. It didn't. News again, right? This is a bullshit news. This is bullshit news. This is bullshit news. This is bullshit. The whole thing is bullshit. Well, there's going to be 145% tariff. Okay, they're going to pause it. They're going to do this. We're going to make 90 deals in 90 days. We're going to do it. And what has happened? Nothing. So the whole move up has been complete, utter bullshit. The whole move. That's the way people are trained. Come on, 17 years of buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. What do you think they're going to do? They're going to buy the dip. That's what they're going to do. Wait. We'll talk in a while. Don't worry about it. So, what we're going to end up, this is a big bull trap right here. It's a big bull trap. So we're going to end up with more likely than not, a lower high. Okay, we got the lower low. We're going to end up with a lower high, and then that's going to start to come down, and we'll start talking about it then, what it's all about. All right, next, let's talk a little bit about Tesla. Big ass bear flag. Okay, big ass bear flag, and you can see it right here. Okay, So I first warned about it when it was forming this high base right in here. Okay, this had the potential of reversal and down. Right now, bear flags, you don't trade them until they break. Now, there's two places you can trade them. Number one, you can take a trade up here, more risky, like I said previously, or you can take it when it breaks down. Now, when you take a trade up here, not advisable, but if you do, then you got to stop out as soon as it breaks above. Right? That's very simple. So the trade technically never, not technically, you could have done whatever you wanted in terms of trading. You could have bought it, whatever. But the trade never triggered. Okay, as per basic charting, it doesn't even have to be BKC. Anybody knows that you short the bear flag when it breaks. Okay, so what's happened since? Well, what happened is we ended up with a nice big bull trap. That's what this is. This is a big bull trap right there, okay, with a megaphone in it. So what's going to end up happening is you're going to have a lower low, lower high, okay, and then not only is this going to break down, but it's going to take out the whole entire flag. All right, so you're going to end up with something like this. It's going to be ugly. It's going to be bad. You can sit here and tell me about robots and self-driving vehicles and taxis and all this bullshit. End of the day, the chart is what the chart is. Not going to change. Now, if you do take this nice setup, the beautiful setup, the great, great, beautiful, wonderful setup. If you were to take this short, you got to stop once it breaks out this area right there. It's a very simple thing. Got to take the stop there. You're right. You're going to catch this whole fucking move. And then I'm going to be a genius. Okay? So it's a great risk reward. Okay? It's a little bit tight. Right? Not too much room for error. A little bit tight, but the reward is humongous. Humongous. I used to struggle with these patterns because I'm like, wow, that doesn't look like anything. You know, what is that? You know, and I used to struggle with them, and then I figured out it's a bull trap. That's all it is. They fail. You can look at all the meme stocks like GameStop. It's got so many bull traps inside of that thing. Wow. Okay. So that's going to help you understand what a bull trap. Good. All right, let's talk a little bit about cryptos. Ethereum. Okay. I have no idea why so many people freaked out about this. I just posted it. I thought it was very innocent, and everybody freaked out. I'm like, all right. So it broke, right? It's coming up. It's testing for downside. Now, you never take a trade on the way up. You wait for it to hook and start going in your direction, and then you short it. You don't short it going up. Anyway, what's happened since is it's kind of gone sideways. Okay? This is a very good indication there's going to be more downside. Okay? It's going to start to roll over. If you look at the total crypto market, it's not looking very healthy. I would not be involved in any cryptos at this time. Get out. I did the same thing with Bitcoin, right? Now, Bitcoin, I said, wait for the crack. And we did get the crack. The crack came right in here, okay, bounced, but there will be another crack here in the near future. Now, anything that's going to, see the crack right there? See it right there? Yep, that's a crack. Right? That's the first warning sign. It's telling you, I'm tired. It's telling you that, hey, I don't even have enough strength to get to the top of the trend line. Anytime you start seeing a nice, well-developed pattern like this, a structure like this, don't move, come back, back. Right? You start seeing a nice formed, fully formed structure like this, you're going to end up like that. If these kind of channels, you're like, oh, wow, look, it's fully formed. I'm going out to buy it because it's bullish. I'm following the trend. Try it. See what happens. You'll get fucking crushed. I'm telling you. So you got to think a little bit backwards if you're new to this. Right? So once you start seeing something nice, fully formed, everything looks great, this is going to happen next. Right? So wait for the next crack. There's nothing in crypto right now that looks bullish. Nothing. Zero. So that's about it for this video. Click like, follow, subscribe, patreon.com/realmacro, and we'll give you some more hints, tips, and market direction. All right, guys. Take care. I'll talk to you.